Welcome everyone. Find a wholesaler who's actually going to take possession of the property or assign that contract to end up wholesaling or flipping that deal. As a bird dog though, it's the simpler part. Doesn't cost you any money, does cost you some time, but you're working it into your normal day routine anyway, and you're writing things down. When you have the address, you can take it a step further and try to talk to the owner or find out any information about if they're willing to sell, and then hook them up with a wholesaler or flipper. You might want to turn that into a transaction. And as a bird dog though, you want to make some connections there. You can attend real estate clubs to find out who's doing real estate deals or flipping, and see if you can joint venture with them. So if you find a deal, they will pay you a certain amount of commission or a certain finder's fee that you can negotiate with them. Depends on the price of the property, so you can do this anywhere. You can do it if you're traveling, things like that too. But even in your own neighborhood, you'll probably know a little bit more about details and everything. And the bird dog, again, is just basically searching for properties around neighborhoods. And you can pick a neighborhood anywhere that would look like it might be something worth pursuing for a wholesaler or a flipper. We'll be discussing other type of real estate transactions on the 7 Fast Cash Real Estate Strategies, but if you want to learn more about it, you can just go to premierwealthbuilders.com/cash. So premierwealthbuilders.com/cash, and it gives you more direct information, details about the 7 Fast Cash Real Estate Strategies. In the meantime, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share this YouTube channel as we go into more depth about the 7 Fast Cash Real Estate Strategies. All right, so have a good day. There's a lot of videos on there already about real estate investing from various trainings that we've been to and our mentors, as well as a lot about our bird dog strategy, because we have dogs, and as we walk the dog, we just share the information. So stay tuned for more. Have a great day.